These cheesy chicken and bacon pasties are one of those bakes that just feel like a treat. Golden, flaky pastry wrapped around a rich, creamy filling. Inside you've got tender rotisserie chicken, crispy bacon bits, and a simple cheesy sauce that brings everything together. Heat the oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Then add in the chopped bacon and fry for 5 minutes until lightly browned and slightly crisp. Then turn the heat down to medium, add in the onion and pepper and cook, stirring often for about 5 minutes until the onion softens. Now sprinkle over the flour and cook for a further minute, stirring constantly. Slowly pour in the milk while stirring until all the milk's incorporated. Continue to slowly stir whilst heating until the sauce thickens, then stir in the cheese and the cooked chicken. It's creamy and savoury and packed with flavour, but still really easy to throw together, especially if you've got leftover chicken to use up. Turn off the heat and allow everything to come to room temperature, and meanwhile preheat the oven to 200C or 400F fan and line a baking tray with parchment or a silicone liner. Unroll a puff pastry sheet and slice it into 8 equal rectangles. Place 4 of the rectangles on the prepared baking sheet, leaving a good gap around them. Then spoon a quarter of the cheese and bacon mixture into the centre of each rectangle. Brush the edges with a little egg wash and then top with the remaining pastry rectangles, and then seal the edges together with a fork. They're perfect as a handheld lunch, or you can turn them into a proper dinner with some crispy potato wedges and a side of sautéed cabbage. Score the pasties a few times with a sharp knife, don't go all the way through. Then we want to brush the top of each of the pasties with egg wash. And then create a couple of small holes in the centre of each using the tip of a knife. This is to allow steam to escape. Place in the oven for 20 minutes until golden brown. And then you're ready to serve. I love to serve these with some crispy potato wedges and some sautéed cabbage. Fresh from the oven, still warm and just flaky enough to make a bit of mess in the best possible way.